Greetings, and welcome to Augmentation Limitless. We are a biohacker collective that aims to advance the field of cybernetics through open research and collaboration. Throughout the years, we have worked with numerous different groups to develop new implants, such as the PEG leg, which is an implantable local area network router. Moving forward, we wish to expand the scope of these collaborations to further advance the field of cybernetics. On this channel, we will be documenting our work to showcase our endeavors and to educate the wider biohacking community as a whole. We will also report on key cultural events in our community, such as Grindfest, the annual biohacker meetup we host where implant enthusiasts gather for a weekend for science and entertainment. If you enjoy what we do here, please check out our Patreon page. And additionally, if you're working on a project and you require access to our information but feel the Patreon fee is preventing you from obtaining this access, please contact us and we'll do what we can to accommodate you. Thank you.